Hello my chat partners, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Dionne. Please subscribe to my channel, and to my returning chat partners, I really appreciate you guys' support. Today's video, I will show you guys how I make 3 pescatarian meals for weight loss. These 3 simple, easy meals are healthy, they're fulfilling, and it was a joy for me to make. I hope you guys enjoy. So the first meal that I'm going to make, I'm going to bake some salmon, and I'm going to make some rice with it. And with the salmon, all I did was I added a little olive oil. I added different seasonings to it, and I baked it in the oven. Also, I made some rice with the salmon. However, a rice hack that I use is that I use rice cauliflower, and then I used a bag of frozen rice that I heated up in the microwave, and I mixed them together. That way I can get more vegetables in with the rice cauliflower. I also made some green kale to go with the meal as well. It was really, really good, guys. So lots of vegetables with protein and a small amount of carbs. Next meal I am making is mackerel cakes. And with the mackerel cakes, what I did was I opened the can, poured the juice out, and then once I put the mackerel in a bowl, I took the bones out, and then I just added different seasoning. I added some panko crumbs, and I also added a purple sweet potato. It was just a small sweet potato, and the reason why I added that is to give it a little bit more flavor, and it made it a little sweet. It was really, really good, guys. I was able to eat the mackerel cakes for breakfast and for dinner, and I had some for the next day. The reason why I'm incorporating more fish into my daily eating habit, I'm trying to learn how to maybe try the Mediterranean diet or just change up my eating habits overall to lose weight, to eat better, to eat healthier, and for fat loss. And eating fish is good. However, you want to make sure you monitor how much fish you eat. I eat fish maybe twice a week. If I have fish for breakfast, I'll have it the next day. But like I said, I won't eat fish no more than 2 days in a row and 2 days out of the week. So it just depends on what works best for you. Just finding my way through this journey to eat better and to take better care of Dionne. However, I do portion control as well. Whenever you're cooking fish, guys, come up with your own recipes as far as like whatever type of seasonings you like to do. Just make sure that you incorporate vegetables with each one of your meals. And with this particular meal with the mackerel cakes, I did add 1 small sweet purple potato to it. So that was a vegetable in itself. So yeah, guys, the mackerel cakes came out really, really good. And guys, like I said, whenever you're incorporating a lifestyle change or just trying to eat better, just think of some recipes and come up with what works for you. Comment below and let me know some of you guys' favorite pescatarian recipes. I hope you all are enjoying this video so far. Make sure you give it a like, share, and also guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys so much. Okay guys, so we're coming up on our next meal. The next meal I'm going to make is whiting fish. I'm going to bake it in the oven, and I'm also going to make some corn on the cob. Me being on this weight loss journey, self-care journey, fat loss journey, just eating better overall, it's been a process and it has been a task. However, I'm enjoying every moment of it because I'm teaching myself how to cook and just make better decisions for myself and for my health overall. And that's key in this process. Always remember to give yourself grace, and always remember to believe in yourself and just do what you feel is best for you. You know what you like to eat. You know what you can eat, because some of us do have certain food allergies, and some of us do have certain setbacks as far as if we have high blood pressure, diabetes, or just anything of that nature that you may have to take medication for, so you know what type of ingredients and type of foods and type of seasonings that you can eat, or as you watching stuff that's high in sodium. Most importantly, guys, just do what's best and take each day as it comes. So guys, I'm getting ready to end this video. Thank you all so much for watching. I'm wishing you all out there a peace of mind, because what? A peace of mind is one of the greatest things in the world. Always remember that you guys are great. And as always, take care, stay safe, and be blessed. Bye, guys.